Rehman,
the most beneficent, the all-compassionate, the most gracious, the one who continually showers all of creation with blessings and prosperity without any disparity, the one who is most kind, loving and merciful, the one whose endless, loving mercy is perfect and inclusive, the one who is overflowing with the quality of loving mercy and is continually pouring it upon all of creation, the one whose perfect mercy and loving beneficence endlessly embrace all of creation, the one who loves and cherishes all of creation, the one who is most loving, gentle and merciful. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. And your God is one Allah. There is no deity worthy of worship except Him, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. He is Allah, other than whom there is no deity, knower of the unseen and the witness. He is the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Say, call upon Allah or call upon the most merciful. Whichever name you call, to Him belong the best names. He has decreed upon Himself mercy, but my mercy encompasses all things. There is no one in the heavens and earth, but that He comes to the most merciful as a servant. Indeed, those who have believed and done righteous deed, the most merciful will appoint for them affection. The most merciful, who is above the throne established. He who created the heavens and the earth and what is between them in 6 days and then established Himself above the throne, the most merciful. So ask about Him one well informed. And out of His mercy He made for you the night and the day that you may rest therein, and by day seek from His bounty, and that, perhaps you will be grateful.